Hey guys, let's talk about the Sabrent NVMe Enclosure Speed Test. So I got this one on Amazon. It works with dual protocol, NVMe and SATA. But today I'm gonna test for the NVMe speed. Okay, so I have it here with the cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C. So I just need to connect here, connect to my MacBook, and I'm gonna use the Blackmagic Design Disk Speed Test. Okay. Let me just show here that I have this SSD from Western Digital. There we go, Western Digital PC-SN730. Let me just connect the cable and connect here to the computer. Observe the LED, so it's working. There we go, and here in the computer I see that pops up here on Finder. Then I can just follow the software. When the software starts writing something here, I can see it. And I expect to have the test here running between 500 to 1000 megabytes per second, okay? Depending on the file size. So I can just come here to the disk speed test from Blackmagic Design. Select here the file size. Let me just start here with 1 gigabyte. And then the target drive. There we go, I select here then the Western Digital NVMe, that's in the Sabrent Enclosure. Hit open and start the test. So it's writing right now, more than 1000, you see here. Again, it's about 1500 for the write and about 800 something for the reading, right? Let me just check here the file, you see 1 gigabyte file. It's working pretty fast. Let's just stop the test and change the size here to 2 gigabyte. Start it again. Just confirm that's writing 2 gigabyte files. 1000 here for the write and for the read 800 something. Stop this one. 3 gigabytes now. Start the test again. Still more than 1000 here for the writing speed, and for the reading speed 800 something. So it's keeping the reading speed and it's varying here the writing speed, right? Stop one more time. 4 gigabytes. There we go. A little bit less than 1000, it's 900 something now, and it's keeping 800 something for the reading speed, right? Here's the file size, 4 gigabyte. There we go, 4 gigabyte. Stop again. And now 5 gigabyte. Start the test one more time. There we go, 900 something, 800, 700, 700 something, which is pretty good. I was expecting something like 500. That's good. For the read is 800 something. Writing one more time. There we go. At least 500 something. So it's working the way I expected. Okay. So super good. Working pretty fine. Let me just eject here. Disconnect. And I'm good to go. Okay. So basically that's the Sabrent NVMe and SATA enclosure. Works pretty fine. You see here that has a thermal pad as well to keep cool. And it's pretty easy to insert the module here, and it works pretty fine, okay? I'll leave the link in the description for this one. It's pretty easy to just connect and disconnect here your NVMe with different sizes, and it works pretty fine. So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.